India is at the cusp of a clean mobility revolution. Electric vehicles aren't just a trend, they're the future of transportation and business. From 1.7 million units in 2023-24, EV sales in India are projected to grow to over 31 million by 2030. This surge marks the rise of a highly competitive and fast-growing market. Environmental concerns are accelerating this transition. EVs offer a cleaner, greener path by reducing greenhouse gas emissions and urban pollution. India's EV infrastructure is expanding rapidly, with over 92,000 public charging stations expected by the end of the decade. Technological innovations like AI and IoT are improving EV safety, performance, and efficiency, powering smarter vehicles for tomorrow. At the heart of this growth lies government support through FAME, PLI, and tax incentives, fueling innovation, adoption, and manufacturing. As domestic manufacturing scales and global players like Tesla and Hyundai enter the market, India is evolving into a global EV hub. Battery costs are falling, production is becoming local, and gigafactories are reducing import dependency, making EVs more affordable and sustainable. Backed by a skilled workforce and rising investments, India's EV ecosystem is ready to lead the global transition to clean mobility. The road ahead is electric, efficient, and empowering. Are you ready to ride the revolution? Let us know in the comments below. Subscribe for more insights.